about the paleo diet. Here's their question. Wondering if you could make a video about what you think is good or bad about the diet. It seems to be too strict for me, especially not being able to eat grains, sweet potatoes. Awesome question. What do I think of the paleo diet? Love it. Absolutely love it. I have read 2 books. I've read The Paleo Solution and I've read The Paleo Diet. And I have to say, everything that they talk about in this book makes complete sense to me. So here's what's great about the paleo diet. Your genetics are 99% the same as your ancestors from the cave person generation. So that means the foods that these cave people ate, they ate the food that their digestive tract was meant to eat. These foods focused on protein and on fat. So these foods include meat, chicken, poultry, fish, and then you have a lot of vegetables and then fat, so nuts, seeds, healthy oils like olive oil, coconut oil, and a lot of people say this diet is too strict because dairy is not in this diet and wheat, grains are not in this diet. But as you know, if you read a lot of my posts, I highly recommend you try to limit the amount of grains and dairy that you have in your diet. And you mentioned sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are paleo approved. However, it's meant to be in moderation. So it's all about focusing your food on protein, on fats, and a lot of vegetables and some fruit. Give it a try. You will see the body fat totally burn off. I recommend it.